Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing Sonic the Hedgehog. Are you ready? Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw Sonic the Hedgehog and I hope you like this lesson. Let's start in the middle of the paper and the first thing I'm gonna do is the nose, and we're gonna start with a little oval shape and I'm using the point of the marker. We're gonna fill half of the oval shape in black and we're gonna leave a space in white for the highlight. Next, we're gonna do a mask that goes around the eyes. I'm gonna start on the right side and I'm gonna go doing a curve down, then I'm gonna go up. I want to try to do an oval shape, but before I can close it, I want to curve again up. Okay, so went around and curving like a letter U. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do kind of like an oval shape and connecting with the nose. Okay, now we can do the eyes inside, and these eyes are close to the center, and I'm going to do two oval shape. Underneath these curves, close to the center, we're gonna do another one. And this time we're gonna fill with black, but we're gonna leave the same, a little circle on the top to do the highlight of the eye. And now we can fill with black around it. Okay. Now let's continue with the mouth, and we're gonna start on the left side doing a curve going underneath the nose, and we're gonna do another curve to close here. We're gonna do the eyebrows by doing two curves on top of the eyes, and on top of these eyebrows we're gonna draw the ears. We're gonna start here on the left, and we're gonna do a triangle that goes up and down. Inside, I'm doing a second triangle, just like this. And now let's repeat the same on the other side. We're gonna do a triangle shape without closing it, and inside we're gonna do a small triangle. Now let's join these two ears by doing a curve shape that it goes up a little and then comes back down. And on the sides, we're gonna do a curve that connects with the mouth and a curve that connects with the mouth. Inside, we're gonna do a little bit of a smirk with a small line on the right side, and we're gonna do a little line at the end. Let's continue with the body, and we're gonna start by doing two lines. One on the left side, little curve, and one on the right side. We're gonna do one more. On the left side, we're gonna do first the hand that is over his side. We're gonna do a upside down letter U, and then we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3 curves going down. From this point, I'm gonna curve and going up, and here I'm gonna connect with the thumb right there. He is wearing gloves, so I'm gonna do here at the end 1 and 2 curves, and 1 and 2 curves. This is gonna be the end of the glove, and in the middle I'm gonna do a curve without touching the edge. From this curve, I'm gonna do the arm, and it's gonna go from here, curving and connected with the body, and I'm gonna do this line double. Okay? Now that I have the arm, I can close this line here around it, and I'm gonna do kind of like an oval shape, filling with black, and it's gonna make it look like the arm is going inside the glove, and I'm gonna connect this line with the arm and this line with the arm. Okay, now we're gonna do the other arm, so we're gonna go doing the curve going up, a second line, and we're gonna do the glove again by doing a curve. We're gonna do 1, 2, 1 and 2 curves, and we're gonna close right here. Let's start doing the glove by 1 and 2 lines that go up, And from here, we're gonna start doing the thumb with a letter U without touching this line, okay? There should be a little space. He has 3 fingers that are bending. So let's start with the 3 fingers by doing 1 without touching, 2, and the last one is just a little curve. The last finger is pointing up, so I'm gonna do a curve, come back down. And inside, just to give a little bit of the shape to the hand, we're gonna do underneath the thumb a little curve. Now I can close this line going around and curving, like doing a circle with the hand. And inside I'm doing a second circle that goes from the glove around and connect again with the hand, and make sure that you leave a space between the 2 lines. From this point, I'm gonna do the legs that go down 1 and 2 diagonal lines, and make sure that they are the same thickness of the arms. Okay, he has very thin arms and legs. Just like that. And we're gonna do the same idea that we did here with the glove. So we're gonna do a thicker line here. And in behind, we're gonna do 2 curves that go off each side. We're gonna do 1 more curve to going down. And now we can close from side to side. Okay? For the shoes, I'm gonna do a line that goes diagonal down, and it curves a little bit on the corners. And in the center or in the middle, we're gonna do a line that goes down and curve. And we can join now on the bottom. Inside, I want to put 2 lines that are very characteristic of his shoes. There are 2 curved lines. And in the other side, the same thing, 1 and 2 lines. To finish this character, we're going to do the hair or the spikes that he has in his head and the tail. Let's start on the left side here in this corner of the ear, and I'm gonna go down, curving and point without touching the head, really close but no touching. Now the second one is gonna go behind the arm, so I'm gonna go down, it connects with the arm, and you can see a little bit of the spike here. They go up. On the other side, we're just gonna do a line that connects with the glove. And in behind the hand and the head, if you still have room here, we're gonna do a triangle shape. Just like that. And this spike here is gonna go in behind the arm, really close to the chin, behind the arm and going back up. The last thing is gonna be the tail, and it's gonna go between the legs, going to the right, going in behind, doing a point and coming back. And there, that's it. We finished this character that is Sonic, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my character looks with the colors. Super easy coloring, just 3 colors: the blue, the skin tone, and the red color. At the end, I add this gray just to give it a little bit of volume. Of the white parts, I went around it really little just to pop a little bit these white parts. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!